Welcome to week 3. I wanted to make a quick video news item for you to introduce the week because this is a week that your topic proposals are due. They're due on the 9th, Friday the 9th of this week, so be sure to get started on that. You want to submit that through Dropbox. Remember that this topic proposal relates to the research project that you're going to be doing for this course. You're going to be making a presentation about your research, and you're also going to be writing a paper about your research. So for your research topic, I'd like you to pick something that relates to social psychology that you are interested in. If you don't have an idea yourself, a passion that you would like to pursue, then feel free to consult pages 568 to 618 in your textbook. That might give you some ideas of what topics you might want to research. So be sure that you get that in. You'll be wanting to write you'll be submitting it through Dropbox, and you'll be writing a 1 to 2 paragraph description of what your topic is and why you would like to pursue it. I will be reviewing those after you submit those, making sure that your topic does relate to social psychology, and I will either approve them or make some suggestions on how you can either narrow or broaden your search or make it more relevant to social psych. So remember to do that. I also by the way, that's worth 20 points, your topic proposal. And then just wanted to point out you have a new discussion topic for week 3. Week 3 focuses on the social self, and your discussion topic is going to center around the social self that people present online. So I'm asking you, do you think that people present themselves authentically online? Do they provide accurate information about themselves and their interests and their accomplishments? First of all, let me know what your personal observations are on that, what your experience has been. And then second of all, be sure to tie in what the textbook says about the online social self. Make your original post by Wednesday, the 7th, and read and reply to at least 2 of your classmates' posts by the end of the week, Sunday, and preferably on different days. Okay, I hope that you have a great week.